So today I'm going to be traveling all the way from Reading, where I stay, down to Hull. If you guys know anything about this, it's literally across the country. So this is going to be a long train ride.
Be arriving into Birmingham New Street. Birmingham New Street will be our next station call. When leaving us here, please do remember to take all personal belongings with you on the gap between the train and the platform edge.
So guys, I totally almost missed my train because I was sleeping. But I'm in Manchester now. You guys can see where I'm at. I just got off that train. But now I need to find my way to Hull. My next train is in like probably in the next hour, and I have to get on that. Guys, I almost missed my stop because I was sleeping. But now I'm up north and things are a little bit more cold, just like what they said it would be. So yeah, I don't know if you guys heard that, but my train to Hull has been cancelled. So now I have to take another train all the way to Sheffield, which I've never been to, but I'm going to take that from Sheffield, and I'm going to take that Sheffield train to Hull. So I'm guessing that I'm guessing Sheffield is another large train station, so I'm going to connect from there. I'm going to connect it to Hull. I honestly thought this was going to be a very smooth trip, but it's turning out to be a lot harder than I thought, because I have a lot of luggage too. But we got this. While traveling here, one thing that I noticed is that I don't mean to sound like naive or anything, but there are people in this world. Like every single stop that I stopped, every single city, every single town that we stopped at, there just seem to be people, more people and more people. So I don't know. I thought that was crazy. Guys, 6+ hours later, and I'm now in Hull. I have to go see my sister now. Apparently I'm going to have to walk to her place because it's about 10 minutes from the station. So, this lens is doing pretty well in the light, by the way, dark. It's nighttime. Guys, I'm hungry, I'm famished. So I'm going to have to walk all the way to her place. She stays 10 minutes from the station, which is good. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. But guys, check out the station, by the way. I feel like all the stations have the same style, same vibe. Have the same vibe, because this looks very, very similar to the Paddington one, very similar to the Piccadilly Circle or whatever you call it. But yeah, all right. So I need to let you guys go on, so I can figure out my path right now. I'm almost at my sister's place, and let me just show you guys. Look at the view. So she stays right next to the water, so you can see all the boats and all that. I'm going to enjoy being here this time. Also, this light from this bridge is amazing. You guys can see. Yeah, so I'm about 3 minutes away, so I actually slowed down a little bit to take some pictures of like my environment and stuff. So I'm just enjoying the view. You guys look at that. See, this reminds me of Seaport in Boston. You guys remember any of my videos from back then? reminds me of seafood. It's very nice. I actually expected the hall to be less like beautiful and less interesting, but it seems like there's a lot going on, and it feels like it's like a recent thing where people just try to move into hall and all. So hey, I think it's a nice place. Tomorrow, tonight, I'm done for tonight. I'm just going to edit videos. But tomorrow I'm going to do some more exploring, take my camera, and show you guys around. As well as figure out what is going on in this city too. So I'm excited. You guys know I love exploring, so yeah, let's do it. So guys, we've arrived at the location. And my sister.
I come from work, I saw my jacket.
Yeah, so I'm about to let you guys go. I've brought you guys throughout my whole day. You guys have kept me company, I've kept you company. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when we explore and do whatever. Alright, like, subscribe, comment. I'm tired. Peace.
Rules on the house, don't touch my wall. If you want to fall down. The floor will break the fall. Rule number 3. I quit the job. Make sure my heater is not on unnecessarily.
Okay.
Oh! You already know about the shoes.
Yeah.
Make sure you put your shoes downstairs when you come up.
What about wearing it?
Wearing it, there's a staircase, sit down.
No, what well, the ones like
You
here.
won't wear your shoes from upstairs. You carry it downstairs. I'll wear it downstairs before you leave.
Okay.
Welcome to my bungalow.